Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2, September 24th. I just wanted to take a peek to see what was going on, if any growth was going on in here. I'm excited. I'm new to this, so I'm just anxious. I know that I shouldn't expect anything right now, but just wanted to take a peek and to show you guys the process and my wait time. So as you can see, there is nothing sprouting yet. So I'll be back. Stay tuned, okay? I'm praying that this really works because I'm excited. Also, I ordered some herbs because I thought I had some herbs. So ordered some more herbs. So we shall see. As you can see, I've been taking notes, okay? I didn't write down today's date, but I've been taking notes. So in the herb kit, I got seeds, and as you can see, some nutrients. Let's see what we have. Basil, parsley, mint, cilantro, shiso, licorice, and chicory. Chicory. I'm gonna get that word right. Chicory. So that's what came in there, and of course some plant food in the box with some baskets and sponges came in there. So this is the herbs that I got. So I can't wait to explore some more of those and plant the rest of the herbs that came in there. Okay, so we are on day 5. Let's look in there. I don't see nothing yet. What's going on? I don't know. I know it takes longer for some things to happen, so I'm gonna be patient. I don't see any sprouts. We shall see. This is day 7, okay, for the tomatoes and the lettuce. For those of you who didn't start with me at the beginning of this journey, I planted golden cherry tomatoes and black seeded Simpson lettuce. I don't see nothing yet. I don't know. As you can see, there's 2 new additions to this whole planting process. On September 26th, I planted some parsley and chicory seeds, okay? Chicory herbs and parsley herbs, okay? And so that make it, today is actually the 29th. So this is day 3. So what amazes me is that on day 2, I saw the chicory sprouting, if you can see back there. So I'm excited, and this is amazing. If you have some tips or anything, let me know. Because I could have sworn I should have seen something with the lettuce by now. Okay, now, I started with planting the lettuce, right, and tomatoes, and that was the black seeded Simpson lettuce, okay, and the golden cherry tomatoes. Okay, so listen, I got a question. I don't know how long we should wait. This is the inside, look like just the seed there. This is the golden tomatoes. So y'all tell me at the end of this video, for those of you who know about aerial gardening and indoor gardening and gardening period, tell me if I should just redo some and scratch it and start over, or should I wait some more? I think I should wait some more, okay, because I don't know how long it takes to grow black seeded Simpson, okay, and golden cherry tomatoes. I think I should wait, but I don't have any sprouting, guys. Listen, there's absolutely nothing going on, guys. So I added the liquid food on day 4 because I thought maybe it needed some help since I didn't see any sprouting. So maybe the seeds are just bad. I don't know. You tell me, guys. Those who are experienced with this arrow garden stuff, okay? Because I'm kind of lost. And that is the lettuce as well. So lettuce, and that's the golden tomato. So I brought a new machine, which I'm about to plant some stuff in. As you can see back there. Okay. So since I took the parsley, which I don't know why, but I moved it from the arrow garden to down here to the lead pot. Let's see what happens. Hey, here for an update. So it was day 10 and I just trashed. Okay? I threw the lettuce out, okay, and I'm starting anew. And I put 3 seeds in each pot this time, sponge. Okay. Our chicory herbs are doing good. And it's still nothing for the cherry tomatoes. I don't know, guys. I don't know. How long does the golden cherry tomatoes take to start sprouting? Yeah. Because I'm like, I don't know. Because it's day 10. Today is day 10. So that's day 10. Sorry for the lettuce. And nothing was happening. So I'm starting over with that and keeping my eye on it. All right. So that's it for this one for now.